You can easily install glass in gas popcorn machine. You will only need a screwdriver to install the glass. First of all, remove the canopy from the top of the popcorn machine. Then take the glass and slide it into the grooves provided on the side of the popcorn machine. Install glass on three sides of the popcorn machine. Settle the glass firmly up to the support provided at the bottom of the machine. Now start screwing the canopy back on top of the machine, but keep the screws loose till the time all four parts of the canopy are installed on top of the machine. Then tighten all the screws. The glass installation is now complete.